Aloha guys, hope you all are having a wonderful day or night, um, wherever you are. You guys, hope you are all doing well. Okay, so today I'm gonna be making a chicken papaya soup. And what we're gonna be needing is green papaya. Make sure it's not ripe or anything. This one might not be totally green, but you want it to be all the way green as you can, greenest you can get them. And then I'm gonna be using some ginger for this recipe, tomato, garlic, and onion. And today I have this chicken is what I'm using. It's for chicken heka, but it's the same thing almost. You can use it for chicken papaya. So it's just chicken cut up. But you can use whatever chicken you want. I love to use like this or the chicken thighs. And yeah, that's about it. And some chicken broth. This is all I have of the chicken broth. So I'm gonna add water with this. But you want to use a can of chicken broth or whatever, however much soup you want. Salt and pepper, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop these things, and then I'll be peeling this. This is the one that's gonna take. This is the one that I don't want to do. Is cut this, but it's made in Kahuku, Hawaii grown. Awesome. So let's get started, guys. Okay, and I put some olive oil in here. You can use whatever oil you want. So I'm gonna put the chicken in. You see how the chicken is cut already? I like this, but gotta be careful of the bones. If you use a whole chicken and you chop the whole chicken up, you can use that too, but just be careful of the small bones, yeah? Like this here. Just gotta be careful of that. We're gonna let that brown, and then I'm just gonna throw all of these inside. So I did ginger, onions, tomatoes, garlic. You know what? I really love it. I really love cooking with tomato and onions. It makes it have a nice flavor. Yeah. And then I'm gonna be doing these. I'll show you guys how I do these. Look at my fingers, they're like so sore. Look at that. I can't, it's sore. I guess it's too much washing the hands, but it's really sore. Okay. I'm gonna cut this. Oh, it's not, see, okay, you don't want this kind of papaya. You want it to be green, not orange. Because, see? So I'm still going to use it, but you want to make sure they're not orange. It just has a different texture, flavor if you use it not green. But this is the only ones that I could find in the store. So I'm just going to peel them. Right now I'm just cooking this together on like medium, like right here. Not too much of the medium, but in between the low and medium. Just because I'm cutting the papaya and I just wanted to cook this on slow instead of rush it. So I'm gonna cover this and finish up cutting the papaya. Okay, so what we're gonna do is like how you're gonna cut the regular papaya, cut it in half. But like I said, the best papaya you want is one that is not orange. It's gotta be yellow, green. But this is what I'm working with right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean inside here. Novia, you always make trouble. And this is how you're gonna do this. Cut it, clean it out like that. And then we're just gonna slice it in cubes. I love when the papaya is cooked, the green papaya. It tastes really good. So we can cut it like this. I'll cut them like this is fine. And I'm gonna finish up with the papaya, and then I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use one of the papaya because that might be enough for just that little bit of soup. So that's how it's looking. Remember, use a green papaya, not this kind, okay? Make sure it's green, because yeah. I'm just disappointed that it's not green, but I still like. I'm still gonna eat it. So let's check it out. That's what's going on right now. I'm just gonna let that cook, and then just let that cook a little bit more. So this is the rice that we use. And then I'm gonna make 2 cups of rice. Okay, I'm just gonna be rinsing the rice. So when I'm going to cook my rice, so I use 2 cups of this, 2 cups. So I'm going to put 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water with the same measurement, yeah? Before, you know, we use our hands and stuff, but I just got smart and I just use this and it always comes out just the way I like it. Before we used to go like here or underneath there, but now I just use 2 cups water, 2 cups of rice, and it comes out perfect all the time. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in. Sometimes I forget to turn it on, and then I'm thinking that it's done, but we're gonna turn it on right now, and then we'll wait till that's finished, about 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep stirring it a little, and then now I'm gonna just put in some water. And then some of this. So if I have only chicken broth, I would just use that, but I don't. That's all I had from yesterday. That's good right there. There's no recipe, you just our eye, doing it by eye. And then I'm gonna put some salt. And some pepper. And then we can take a look at it right now. And that's what it's looking like right at this moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook a little bit more and then throw in the papaya in a bit. I just want to make sure the chicken's cooked before I put that in. But you can just kind of measure how much soup you want, and it'll work out. Okay guys, so I added a little bit more water because yeah, and then I added more salt, and then this is what it's looking like now. Just The main thing is that the chicken and the papaya is cooked. So seems like the papaya is already cooked and the chicken is cooked as well. You know what, the main thing with some dishes, you have to only eat it with rice. So you get a bowl of white rice, put the soup on top, the sabaw, chicken, and the papaya. But make sure, again, I'm gonna tell you guys one more time that it's a green papaya, okay? Alrighty, but this is how you make how I make chicken papaya. You guys have a wonderful night. Take care. God bless. I will see you guys in my next video.